Oh, get something exclusive, shawty. Yeah, all that. Black ones, white ones, gray ones, nice ones. Nigga, this is the most fakest shit I ever seen in my life, nigga. Hold on. So he ain't gonna catch it. But hold on. But he is. Get the fuck out of here, man. Get the fuck out of here, man.
When he tell the story, that's not how it went. No, they be lying 100%.
I already know what time it is, you feel me? Niggas, you better go back to college and get that knowledge. Stop acting stupid before niggas get roped. You dig? Nigga out here, bruh, represent official. On God, get you something. It's real good in this exclusive, shawty. Hold on.
You know what it is?
Shoot a couple videos, photos. We got all that.
We in here.
It's a call away. Gotta be halfway, meet me all away. Use me for your best.
Hey, my nigga in here. Real something exclusive. Get you something. White ones, black ones. Let's get it. Hey, in this bitch, you feel me, with my partner, you feel me?
Yeah, gang, yeah.
In this bitch, you feel me? It's official. Solid. Rocketeer. Benjamin, baby.
This room is the room that niggas need to figure out what's that.
Going down. Stay tuned.
Like I said, over here, put the backdrop on.
I passed on this beat when I first heard it. Now it's murdered like the heat. Daddy never rolled every time. Think you pull up on me. Do it fast, make it sloppy. Told her both my pants black.
Hey, you already know hard work pays off, you feel me? I'm here for longevity though, you feel me? Just let me know if you tryna take a peek. Hey, you know what it is? Hey, get your exclusive shit, you feel me? Tap in. What? You got my money? You ain't got my money? Who gonna reach up?